Now we're still a couple of months away from the release of the Google Pixel Fold 2 or Pixel 9 Pro Fold, whatever they end up calling it, but a person on Reddit has released some screenshots, some photos of a Pixel Fold 2 case next to a bunch of different devices, and it really looks like a device that folds based off a device they already have, and it's really, really interesting, and I wanted to talk about it. So here's the post from Reddit. The Reddit post says that the Z Fold 6 and Pixel Fold 2 cases versus several devices. Now I will do this similar kind of video on the Z Fold 6 in another video. So we'll do the Pixel Fold 2 first, and then basically the next day or the day after I'll do the Z Fold 6. This first one, Pixel Fold 2, PF2, that's what Pixel Fold 2 stands for, on P8P, which is Pixel 8 Pro. You just look at that. Now, besides the camera module, you can tell, which the camera module in the Pixel Fold 2 kind of looks like an iPhone one, at least the cutout for it, but wider. Anyways, what I wanted to say with that is that what's really interesting about this is that the Pixel Fold 2, when it's closed on top of the Pixel 8 Pro, is more or less the same size. So that's why in the beginning of this video, I was saying that the Pixel 8 Pro is more or less a folding Pixel Fold 2. And this photo definitely exemplifies that fact of the Pixel Fold 2 on the Pixel 8 Pro. They're basically the same size. You just look at it. It's the same height, it's the same width. I think obviously the folks over at Google Pixel are trying to define this, especially when they release it with the Pixel 9 phones in just over a month, that this is going to happen and that this is going to be a folding Pixel 9 Pro phone, or 9 Pro XL, really the 9 Pro XL. But basically it's gonna be that newest phone they have. Now the 9 Pro XL isn't out yet, so that's why we're using a Pixel 8 Pro on these photos, but it's the same freaking size. iPhone 15 Pro Max, one of the best selling, if not one of the best selling phones in the world, on top with the Pixel Fold 2, same almost size. Obviously it's a little bit different. The Pixel Fold 2 has the rounded edges, but it also has a square off top at the top there. But yeah, basically the same size. So you could even say, hey, it's an iPhone 15 Pro Max when it's closed, but then when you open, you get that big display. Here's the back, again, closed case with the Pixel Fold 2 on top of that iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a great one to show off because the iPad Mini 6, a lot of people love this form factor, and here is the Pixel Fold 2 case on top of it. Pixel Fold 2, a little bit wider. You could probably say about maybe 10-15% wider than the iPad Mini 6, but then it's also maybe 30, 25, somewhere in that range percent shorter than the iPad Mini 6, and it's completely wide open. You see the nice, perfect open display on the front, but then you can have that nice big open display when you open it up. So I think overall it's safe to say that we're gonna have a Pixel 9 Pro XL on the front of the Pixel Fold 2 or Pixel 9 Pro Fold, whatever you wanna call it. And then when you open it up, that's where the folding game comes to action. So you're really gonna get two phones in one. And I gotta think about it at this point that with that, we're probably gonna have a really expensive price to go along with it, since you're basically getting two phones, or a phone and a tablet. And that's the way folding phones have always been in terms of you're getting a phone, you're getting a small tablet at the same time. And the Pixel Fold 2 totally shows that off. And I am very excited about that. Remember, you're gonna get the Tensor G4 processor inside, 16 gigs of RAM, up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Hopefully they've updated the modem inside. I've heard rumors that they're not going to. It's gonna be the same modem they used with the Pixel Fold 1. I know some of you guys have had issues with the modem. I didn't have any when I was using it, but I know some people have, with reliability on calls and data usage when you're on like 5G and stuff like that. And then the overall displays, I hope they're brighter, and I assume they probably will be. They're definitely bigger, especially on that outside, at least in a normal sized phone way to it, so they've gotten away from the passport design. Let me know your thoughts on this. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.